All right, hello everyone. Good day. I'll be showing you some tips and tricks again. Today I have encountered an. All right, hello everyone. Good day. I'll be showing you some tips and tricks again. Today I have encountered an error saying that I cannot open a protected file. So I haven't encountered that before because when I open some files like this, it will actually open up. But this time it's different. So let me show you the error. All right, so uh, I tried to open this one, but there is a message here. The file couldn't open in protected view. All right, so this happens. This actually happens when you have downloaded your file from the web, right? From the internet. All right, we have to do something about this one. To avoid this one, to fix this one, you only have to choose the file, right? You have to right click the file and then select properties, right? Go to the general tab. Okay, we have 5 tabs here, but just go to the general tab. All right, so if you see this one, if you come across this security feature here, this has something to do with the error, right? So what you want to do now is to click on the box, right? And then apply and then click OK. Okay, try to observe the security feature here is remove already. So that means you can open your file again, right? So click on OK. Then let's check if we can actually open the file without any errors. All right, so that's it. That's how you solve the error or solve the problem. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you.